Hello there! Do you know that when you water plants, you waste quite a lot of water? Interested in home gardening or vegetable growing, but there is not enough space? Often forgot to water your plants, especially as a student with assignment piling up?
Introducing our project, Self-Watering Plants.
Hi, I'm a student from College Matrikulasi Pulau Pinang. My name is Adana Nabila binti Aira Azmin.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Syahmi bin Sulaiman and I am a student from College Matrikulasi Pulau Pinang. With the help of editing software such as Photoshop, PowerPoint and CapCut, I hope it is entertaining and informative for you guys. Enjoy! Before we begin our project, prepare the apparatus that we need for the project. An unused plastic basin, 4 PVC clear hose, 4 pot, needles, aluminum bitumen tape or glue gun and plasticine. First, make 4 holes at the bottom of the basin. Make sure the hole is big enough so that the plastic tube can fit in. Then, take the PVC hose and seal the end of the tube by using heat. Be careful while handling the fire and the hot PVC hose. Do this for the rest of the PVC hose. Test the seal by flowing some water into the PVC hose and check if there is any water is leaking out. Next, use a marker to indicate a point where we are going to puncture holes into the PVC hose. To make hole in the PVC hose, I use hot nail to make the tiny hole. You can use needle to puncture the holes as well. With that being done, you can test the flow and observe the drops of water. If the water is flowing too fast, you can wrap the hole with sellotape and puncture it again until you achieve the drop of water that you desire. Now, I'm going to put the PVC hose into the bottom of the basin. Using force, poke the needle like this. Now, the PVC hose won't fall out. But if we pour water into the basin, it will still leak from the excess hole. So, I am going to use aluminum bitumen tape to secure the hole from water leakage. You may also use glue gun and plasticine on the glue gun after it cools off. It should look like this. The soil that I use is humus soil. After filling the pot with soil, put the seeds on the pot. Note that the seed that I use is chive seed. You can use any seed that you like. But remember to choose the one that is suitable with the size of the pot. Okay, continue. Now, we can put the hose inside the soil at the side. Make sure the hole is toward the center of the pot. Finally, water each of the pot for the first time and fill in the basin with water and let it slowly flow in the soil and maintain the moisture of the soil.
So, how does this system works? Consisting of pots, humus soil, water supply, and wicking system. Once the seed has grown some roots. With the 2 holes in the tube, water goes down the soil by gravity force. The plant's roots are able to absorb water, neither from the top and the bottom hole of the tube. The plant's roots are also be able to attract water from below by capillary force. As the plant's roots absorb water, the soil wicks up more, maintaining a consistent level of the moisture in the soil. Conclusion: So, in conclusion, self-watering plants are very easy to maintain, especially when we often forgot to water our plants or going on vacation. Self-watering plants will maintain the moisture of the soil for the plants to grow. If the water supply is placed under the sky, the water supply can be refilled when the rain occurs. Thus, it saves water. With that, self-watering plants offer convenience, save space, water efficiency, and improved plant health.